In this video, I will guide you on how to check old stories on Snapchat. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the memories icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the stories option. Now, you can see different options here such as My Story, Private Stories and Archive Stories. From here, you can tap on any old story that you want to open and watch. Now, you can revisit your past Snapchat stories anytime. If you want, you can add in a text, add emojis or share this as well. To share, you can simply tap on the story option or tap on the send to option. This lets you reuse or manage your old Snapchat content however you want. Now, if you do not find the old stories over here, there is another method as well. For that, head back, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on My Data. Now from here, you want to make sure to enable options such as memories, chat, media and stories. Once that is done, tap on the next option. Now select a time range. After that, tap on the submit option. Now Snapchat will prepare an archive containing your old stories and account data. Once it has been prepared, you want to download it to your phone, then unzip the file. This gives you access to old Snapchat stories saved on Snapchat server. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.